Welcome to the Explainer. Today, we're demystifying advanced SQL to totally transform how you analyze data.
Ever struggled to calculate grand totals without losing your individual row data? Yeah, it's a super common problem.
Okay, let's dive in. Regular aggregate functions collapse your rows, but window functions, they keep every row completely intact.
See, a traditional group by sum just squashes all your granular data down into a single summary row.
Enter our hero, the window function. It calculates across related rows without squashing the result. Game changer, right? Under the hood, the over clause is the absolute powerhouse engine driving these non-collapsing calculations.
Inside over, we use partition by. It logically divides your data into chunks without physically squashing them together.
And this brilliantly illustrates the syntax in action, perfectly combining the rank function with over and partition by.
But here's a classic stumbling block. How do you actually choose between ROW number, rank, and dense rank? So, the crucial point is right here. It all comes down to handling duplicate values and skipped numbers.
First up, ROW number. It always forces a totally unique, sequential number, completely ignoring any ties.
Rank is different. It assigns duplicate values for ties, but then literally skips the next sequence number.
Dense rank allows duplicates for ties too, but it keeps the numerical sequence perfectly intact right afterward, no skips.
Moving on to navigation, lead and lag let you seamlessly jump around between individual rows of data.
It's wonderfully simple. Lead fetches the very next row's value, while lag looks backward at the previous one.
There's also N-tile. This one is absolutely perfect for dividing your results into equal buckets, like quartiles.
So why does this matter? Well, they power real-world business tasks, like employee ranking, salary analysis, and sales trends. They effortlessly turn code into crucial time-based metrics, giving you things like running totals and moving averages instantly. You can even compare one specific employee's salary directly against the entire department's average, all at the same time.
So are you ready to stop squashing your data and finally unlock its true analytical potential? Let's get building!